my God. All this. Look at, I don't know what the hell that is. All of that. In case you were curious why my truck doesn't have logos, it's because it's a new truck. I got it in November. It's February now, so it's like 3 months old. So I don't even have the logos on it yet. So this is what it looks like. And obviously I'm gonna blur out my contractor's name on it, but it only has the operated by FedEx ground decal on it and the DOT number. But it's a nice truck. It's a Ford, but you know, what are you gonna do? It does the job. My last truck, my gas pedal disintegrated off the like arm and it blew out like crazy black smoke. It was a diesel. This one takes unleaded. So it's I don't know, it sucks up a lot of gas though. I'm like every 2 days I gotta fill this thing up, so it's just kind of inconvenient. But you know, it is what it is. It's not that icy out. It's icy like in parking lots where the salters haven't gotten to yet. I haven't gone to the residentials, but I'm gonna have to probably wear the cleats as soon as I start doing the residential deliveries. So we'll see. I dropped off. I had to go to Menards and I had to go to Lowe's. Those were the bulkier stops. So now I got some room in the back of my truck. So we're just gonna keep it pushing. Started freezing rain out here. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Please make sure you go to the bottom of this video, click subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification so you can get updates on my next videos that are going to be coming up. Basically, it's freezing rain right now. It's like pouring outside. My clothes are wet. I'm miserable. You got to see what I had to deal with all through today. It was a pretty heavy day. I even had to get a bunch of... I had a refrigerator on the back of my truck at one point. I couldn't even fit it on my truck because I already had all this crap that I had to go to Lowe's and Menards, so I couldn't even get that on my truck, so I left it there. But yeah, I wish I could have got some footage of that for you guys, but it was like a legitimate sized refrigerator. I'd never had anything that big before. But yeah, again, thanks for watching the video, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.